Technology is moving ahead. Changes are being made everywhere you go, and everyone is busy. Business today is a fast-paced, no-nonsense environment where productivity and efficiency mean everything. Workers today must be productive, extremely efficient, and well-trained. We work and live in an environment that requires your full attention to what you're doing. No room for mistakes. That's just the way business works. No matter what job you have or in what industry you work, there are responsibilities associated with your job. Part of these responsibilities is safety. Safety for you and the safety of your coworkers and visitors to your facilities. General safety rules. Reporting to work rested, alert, and ready to perform your job is the first step. Fatigue may affect your ability to work safely. Next, wear appropriate clothing for the job. Follow your company's dress code. This includes wearing proper footwear for the job. If you'll be working in an area with equipment and machinery, don't wear rings and jewelry that can get caught in the moving parts. Keep long hair tied back or under a hat, again to avoid getting caught in machines. Personal protective equipment. What is PPE and how does it affect you? PPE means personal protective equipment, equipment that has been designed to protect you from potential injuries. When required for certain job assignments, PPE will be issued to you and it's your responsibility to wear it. PPE could include safety glasses when your eyes are exposed to potential injury, gloves to protect your hands, hard hats for head protection, hearing protection for high noise areas, face shields to protect your face, respirators, specialized shoes. All these and more are considered personal protective equipment. Electrical safety. Electrical safety is another important safety consideration. Naturally, everyone has been exposed to electricity and how dangerous it can be if it's misused. Generally, in the workplace, you should always inspect electrical cables, cords, and plugs for frays, cracks, cuts, or defects before you use them. If the electrical tools or equipment you use do not say double insulated on the manufacturer's tag, then they must be grounded with a 3-prong plug and a grounded cable. Control of hazardous energy. You may or may not work in an area with machinery. If you do, you need to be aware of lockout-tagout, or what is called control of hazardous energy. This means that when someone is working on or servicing equipment, the safety of the person working on the machine is mandatory. To make sure the machine doesn't start accidentally, all hazardous energy must be locked out. Hazardous energy could be electricity, springs under tension, gravity, where heavy parts could fall down, liquids, or steam under pressure, or other hazardous energy sources. Even if you don't work in these areas, or you're not a mechanic or machine operator, it's important to know about these tags and locks. Never remove any of these tags or locks unless you're the person who placed them there. Don't attempt to start any machine that has a lock or tag on it. Lockout and tagout procedures save lives. In case of fire, exit the building by appropriate exits. Remain calm and report to your designated area so your supervisor can account for you. It's important to know if anyone is left inside the building or if they are missing. In case of earthquake or a tornado, it's best not to go outside. Falling electrical lines, broken glass, or other dangerous conditions could exist outside your building. Experts recommend that you get under a sturdy desk or other heavy object and duck, cover, and hold. Safe lifting, back injury prevention. Back pain is a fact of life. Many of us have suffered back pain and know that it's something to avoid. Most doctors don't agree upon what treatment for back pain is best. However, they all agree exercise and diet will greatly reduce your chances of back pain or injury. Since we're not doctors, you should get medical advice on diet and exercise that's best for you. Proper work practices will make a difference. There are some safe lifting techniques you can use to reduce the potential of injuries and back pain. Safety is a job requirement. But more importantly, safety is a moral obligation to yourself, the company, co-workers, and your family. One accident is simply one too many. Thank you.